my dear students of Anand English Medium School. Myself, Mr. Vishwajit Ramanikar sir, and today I am going to teach for the 5th standard students, and I am going to teach the very first poem. The name of the poem is What a Bird Thought. I repeat, the name of the poem is What a Bird Thought. So first of all, we shall see some difficult words. The first word is SMALL, small. Small means teeny, TINY. In Marathi you can say lahan. Second word SHELL, shell. Shell means a thing having tough cover. You can say also kavach, ज्याला आपण म्हणतो कठीण कवच in this way. Third one is FLUTTERED, fluttered means flew away, fly, flew, flown. So then this word is also simple past tense. That is why the word flew, just the word flew, it is also in simple past tense. And the last one is BLIND, blind. Blind means who cannot see. So here in this poem, my dear students, what a bird thought. First of all, the bird thought that for it, the world is a shell. For it, the world is a shell means it is living in a shell. It is living in a shell. That is why it thought that shell is the word for the bird. When the bird comes out from that shell, then it lives in a nest. Then the bird thought that for this bird, the nest is its world. For this bird, the nest is its world. Then again it comes out from the nest and it lives on a tree. Then again the bird thought that a tree is its world. The tree is its world. And when it tries to flew away from the tree, when it flew away from the tree, when it flew beyond the tree, when it goes up and up in the sky, and when it flies around the tree, around the world, and then the bird thought is only the shell, only the nest, and only the tree. It is not his world. His world is beyond the tree. So I am going to read this poem, my dear students. Please see. I lived first in a little house. The bird is saying. The bird says, I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. Very well means nicely. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shade. I repeat, the world to me was small. मेरे लिए वो मेरा वर्ल्ड, मेरी दुनिया कैसी थी? बहुत छोटी थी. And round, गोल थी. देखो, and look and made of pale blue shade. Pale blue shade means an egg. So first of all, the bird lived in a shell means in an egg. Okay. In the next stanza, the bird says, I lived next in a little nest. Next means what? When it comes out from the egg, the bird lived in a little nest. NEST nest. Nest आपको मालूम है? We live in a house and the bird lives either on a tree. The big birds like an eagle, it does not live in a nest. A bird eagle does not live in a nest. It lives on the tree. So the tiny bird, the teddy bird, the small birds, they live in a nest. So when the bird comes out from an egg, then it lived in a nest. देखो, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw. Straw का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? You know, a dried stick of grass. जो पंछी जो होते हैं वो अपना नेस्ट खुद बनाते हैं. The birds build their nest with their own mind. Means they have the natural mind how to build the nest. So nest के लिए they need dried straws. जो जिसे हम घास कहते हैं हिंदी में, मराठी में गवत कहते हैं. वाळलेल्या गवतापासून ते पक्षी त्यांचं घरटं बनवतात. I thought the world was made of a straw. Straw means a stick of dried grass and covered by my mother. And covered by my mother. Covered by my mother means what? You know, the birds live in the wings of their mother. ये जो लिटिल वंस होते हैं, जो बर्ड्स होते हैं, उनकी जो माँ होती है, वो माँ का क्या करते हैं? What does she do? She takes all the birds in her wings, okay, and that is why the little ones are getting the warmth of her mother. You can say chicken and hen. You can say chicken and hen. Even the hen also takes all the chickens in her wings, and the chicken get warm also. Okay. Third one is one day I fluttered from the nest. एक दिन क्या हुआ, वो जो छोटा पंछी था वो क्या हो गया, नेस्ट से वो बाहर आ गया. इट केम आउट फ्रॉम द नेस्ट एंड इट फ्लटर्ड. इट ट्राइड टू फ्लाई अवे टू सी व्हाट आई कुड फाइंड. मीन्स मुझे क्या मिलता है, क्या मैं क्या देख सकता हूँ, ये देखने के लिए वो जो पंछी था वो अपने घर से, अपने नेस्ट से बाहर आ गया. इट फ्लू अवे फ्रॉम द नेस्ट. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. तो नेस्ट से जो आगे जो बाहर आ गया ये पंछी, तो वो झाड़ पे रहने लगा. ये पंछी झाड़ पे रहने लगा. It lived on a tree. At last I flew beyond the tree. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made I cannot tell you. Can you? तो ये पंछी है वो बोलता है, वो जो पंछी है वो कंटिन्यू करो सर. ये जो पंछी है वो बोलता है कि when it flew away from the tree also, when it flew away in the sky, then the bird says that I cannot tell you what is the word. Means first of all उस पंछी के लिए नेस्ट ही उसका वर्ड था. सेकंडली ट्री ही उसका वर्ड था. वो जो ट्री से बाहर आ जाता है तो उसे लगता है कि the world is so big, so I cannot tell you what is the word for you. Okay. So very nice poem this is. I thought you understood this poem. If you have any difficulty, you can contact on our school's phone number. Have a nice time, my dear students.